They are the women who entered the workplace in the 1970s. In shops, in factories, they expected to only have to work until the age of 60. But the reality would be different. 6 years different. As the pension age for these women and millions of others was later upped to 66. These campaigners have now taken the government to the High Court, saying they're victims of discrimination. Among them, former shop worker Maz Purcell, who at 62 must wait another 4 years for her pension.
I thought they were winding me up. And when I found out it was real, I felt it was just me. I felt picked on, and I thought, why me?
Mac Hawkins, who's a carer, now has another 3 years to wait.
It's so much effects. Have so much effects on women's lives, and like I said, you plan to retire at 60, so at least you can have a good few years.
The Pension Act of 1995 increased the age a woman could claim from 60 to 65, like men at the time. And then legislation earlier this decade allowed further changes to be accelerated. It meant by 2016 the state pension age was 63, then 65 2 years later. And by next year, a woman must be 66 before she claims. The government says it would cost £70 billion to move it back to 60 for the women of the 50s. One expert says there are more deserving cases.
I think that there's a much stronger argument for, say, millennials, quite a lot of unemployed men. There really are stronger arguments elsewhere.
The judges will hear more submissions tomorrow. Before making a decision, these women have waited years to hear. Julian Drucker, 5 News.